MaCenna and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that we're meeting, hi, I'm McKenna. Obviously. I absolutely love creative projects and I post new DIY and tutorial videos every week. So if you're into that sort of thing, definitely hit the subscribe button below and join our digital DIY family. Over the next few days, I'm gonna be posting some quick and easy DIY tutorials that are gonna really get your creative juices flowing and give you the tools to DIY some really creative projects of your own. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make the perfect pom-poms. You may already have a project in mind that you want to use pom-poms in, but just in case you don't, before we get started, I'm going to show you guys some of my current favorite things using pom-poms and some project inspiration so that you guys can really see all of the freaking amazing things that you guys can do with pom-poms. So here are my current favorites.
A pom-pom wreath, some pom-pom earrings, a cute rug, the edge of a blanket, some cute edged pillows, a wall hanging, and a basket.
Okay, so let's get started.
So I'm going to show you guys how to make two sizes of pom-poms, one using a fork and then the other using just your two fingers. I found that the best yarn to use for pom-poms is this 100% acrylic yarn because it's thick and it fluffs up in just the right amount. So what you're going to do first is take your fork and we're going to start making the small pom-pom. You're going to wrap your yarn around the fork 50 times, and this I found is like the perfect amount for the perfect fluff of your pom-pom. So just keep wrapping until you get to 50 times and then you just cut off the edge. Then you're going to cut about a 5 to 6 inch long piece of yarn, and this is going to act as our anchor and middle piece of the pom-pom. You're going to stick it right through the middle of the fork and around and tie 2 knots. So make a double knot right in the center, really tight, because you want our pom-pom in the center to be as tight as possible. So once you've got your double knot knotted, you can just slip it right off of the fork. And you can see that we kind of have like a pancake shape, like a flat piece of yarn. So next we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut along the edge, the outside edge of the pom-pom, snipping all the little loops that we just made around the fork. So you're going to kind of get like this spidery looking edge all around your pom-pom. And it's okay, it is going to look odd. It's not going to look like a circle, but that's okay because we're going to give this pom-pom a serious haircut to make it round. You'll notice that the pom-pom is actually a little larger than a quote-unquote small pom-pom, so you're definitely going to cut quite a bit of yarn off the edges and just continue to give it a haircut until you have the perfect shaped ball and your pom-pom is the size that you want it to be. And that's it, our small pom-pom is complete. So next I'm going to show you how to make kind of like a smallish medium-sized pom-pom using just your index finger and your middle finger. So you want to space apart your fingers about 1.5 inches and you're going to be wrapping your yarn around 100 times. So this is going to be double the size that you just did for your small pom-pom. So once you've wrapped all of the yarn around your fingers, you're going to snip it right at the edge. And then just like we did before, cut about a 5 to 6 inch piece of yarn. And you're going to put the end of that piece of yarn right through your two fingers and then loop it around the bottom side of your pom-pom. And we're going to knot it one time, just loosely so that we can grab it off of our fingers. So once you have your first knot in place, you can slide it off of your fingers, place it on a flat surface, and then tie your double knot. This has to be pretty tight, so remember to pull and hold as much as you can so that you have it really tight. So we have the same kind of flat pancake look that we did before, and we're going to go and cut around the entire edge of the pom-pom to have that octopusy looking kind of spider look. And this is not a cute pom-pom yet. You can see that it's not shaped like a ball at all. So just hold on to your two anchor yarn pieces and give your pom-pom a haircut. You're just going to go over your entire pom-pom until you have the size and the shape that you want. And that is it. Our medium-sized pom-pom is complete.
Okay, that's that's it, guys. You can make pom-poms in any size that you want. Just remember to adjust the string count and you can make the perfect size pom-poms for any project. If you guys like this quick and easy DIY pom-pom tutorial, then hit the like button below. And if you're not already part of the DIY fam, definitely hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.